Okay, so today I am on a Eurotech TA machine. It is a single turret machine. Just show you inside here real quick. So this one has some nice Niederhauser chucks on it, which are real slim profile. But right now I'm going to show you the how to change out the ejector in the sub spindle. So what you have to do is we're going to go ahead and close the door, and we're going to go back to the main menu page, and we're going to go to the CMZ menu, and you're going to hit Shift E, and you want to turn on adjust parameters. So this key has to be in the edit side. You need to go ahead and hit on and then apply, and this will turn to 1. Alright, and you'll see a blinking, I believe that comes up red. So once you do that, it'll let you adjust the parameter. And what we're looking for, so if we go back to the normal FANUC side of it, right? If you hit system, right, this is normally where your parameters are going to be. So if you go to diagnostic or diagnosis, hit next page, let's see, and go to PMC maintenance. What you're going to do is you're going to type in D as in David 240.4. Right, and then we're going to search for that. Right, so there's David 240.4. And what you do is you hit force, right? And that opens up the page so you can edit it. And then I just hit on. It's already a 1 because I've already changed it. And then you hit exit, and it'll gray it back out like it's, you know, locked again. So at this point, you can go ahead and open the door. And then when you hit this stop rotation button for the spindle, it'll actually push out the ejector. Now this ejector, see if I can get it off without, yeah, so the ejector has, it sits inside a, you know, a diameter, right, like a pocket, and it's got pins, which would be your kind of like your keyway, right, and then there's a key inside there, almost like a J slot. So it goes in, rotates, and then the spring pushes it and forces it up against the side so it can't come out. So that's what the ejector looks like. That's the coolant port. You got some coolant holes in there so you can get a flush going. And then this is threaded with an M10. No, that's an M12 thread. And you can put different extensions on there. It comes with a brass one, but I needed a longer one for this application, so I just grabbed a bolt. And that's how you go ahead and change out your sub-spindle ejector. So let me go ahead and put this back on. Alright, there it is. And then I'll just go ahead and hit reset, and then I'll let it go back. I'm going to close the door. So now I'm going to go back to my D40 or 240.4, hit force. I'm going to turn that off. So this is what activates, makes this stop button active as a ejector forward, like an operator's button, right? So we turn that off, and we're going to hit exit so it's grayed back out. Go back to our menu page, go to CMZ menu, hit Shift E. We're going to change or turn that off, hit apply, right? And then we're back to where we were, right? So that's how you change out the sub spindle ejector on a TA from Eurotech.